If you want to design your itch.io page the right way and make it look polished, clear, and ready to share, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, from logging in to itch.io, editing your page details, uploading your game file, adding visuals, and customizing the theme so your page stands out. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. All right, let's get into it. First, go to itch.io and log into your account. Once you're inside, head over to your dashboard. This is where all of your projects and game pages are managed. Find the project you want to design and click on Edit. This opens the page settings where you can start building your game page properly. The first thing you'll want to do is edit the title and description. Your title should be simple, clear, and easy to recognize, while your description should explain what the game is about in a way that grabs attention quickly. Try to keep it readable and informative, because this is one of the first things visitors will see. Next, upload or edit your game file. This is the actual file players will download or play, so make sure the file is correct, tested, and ready for your audience. After that, add your cover image and screenshots. This part is really important, because visuals help your page look professional and help people understand your game at a glance. Use a strong cover image that represents your game well, and choose screenshots that show the best parts of the experience. Then go into the game details section and write down the features and controls. This is where you explain what makes the game unique, what players can do, and how they can control the game. The clearer this section is, the easier it will be for new players to understand and enjoy your project. After that, set your price. If your game is free, select the free option. If it's a paid release, enter the price you want to charge. Choosing the right price is important, so make sure it matches your goals and the value of your game. Once everything is filled in, click Save. This locks in your changes and updates your page details. After saving, click View Page so you can see how everything looks publicly. This is the best way to check whether your title, description, images, and layout look good together. If something feels off, you can always go back and make adjustments. Now for the design part. To customize the overall look of your itch.io page, click Edit Theme. This is where you can change the appearance of your page and make it feel more personal. Depending on your setup, you may be able to adjust colors, layout elements, and other visual settings. Take your time here and aim for a clean style that matches the tone of your game. A good theme can make your project feel much more polished and memorable. So to quickly recap, the process is log into itch.io, go to your dashboard, click Edit, update your title and description, upload your game file, add cover images and screenshots, write your game details and controls, set your price, save everything, view your page, and then edit the theme to customize the design. Once you follow those steps, you'll have a much better looking itch.io page that feels complete and professional. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more game publishing tips next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.